As Americans await a final decision from the Supreme Court that could overturn Roe v. Wade, some state and local governments are taking action now. That includes Multnomah County, which is taking steps to protect access to abortion. Fox's Stephanie Domrot has a look at a meeting happening today.
Today, Multnomah County Commissioners Jessica Vega-Peterson and Sushila Jayapal co-sponsored a board resolution protecting access to abortions and reproductive medical care in the county. It's one of two actions being taken by the county this week in response to a pending decision by the Supreme Court. Now, the proposal comes as we await the decision on whether the Supreme Court will strike down the landmark ruling Roe v. Wade, which legalized abortion across the country. The resolution brought to the county board today will reaffirm the county's commitment protecting the right to an abortion if Roe is overturned, as stated in a leaked draft from the highest court. Vega-Peterson is also proposing $200,000 in funding to organizations that would work to provide safe reproductive health services to those who are unable to receive that care or get access to it. Now, funds could be used for access to services, including transportation to and from Oregon, lodging, and the cost of services. Commissioner Jayapal says banning abortions will not stop them. It will simply make them less safe, mostly for certain groups.
Black, Indigenous, and people of color, people with disabilities, people in rural areas, young people, immigrants, LGBTQ+ people, and people experiencing poverty are disproportionately affected by increasing the inaccessibility of reproductive health care.
Now, many healthcare providers also spoke at today's meeting about what they believe will be an influx of patients seeking services in Oregon from neighboring states if the federal right to an abortion is revoked. Now, while Oregon and Washington governors have said they would protect the right to an abortion in those states, neighboring Idaho does have a trigger law which would automatically ban abortions if the court overturns Roe. In studio, Stephanie Domrot, Fox 12 Oregon.